The rain is picking up. If a tree falls on our tent, it was meant to be. We have the tent. That would be worth it for the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Country Roads Media. Today, we're going backpacking. We got, who are we here with today?
Kyler Hutchins.
How are we feeling?
Good.
What are we about to do? Tell them.
We're about to camp in the woods.
Oh yeah. So basically, we got our bags. It's raining. It's what, tropical storm or something coming through, but it's all right because we're here for the content. We're gonna hike up deep into the mountains, far off a trail, and then we're gonna pitch a tent and we're gonna bring you the whole way. Let's go. We're on the first hill.
It sucks.
We've been hiking for
solid 2 minutes.
2 minutes. We're feeling it. Our bags are heavy. We're very inexperienced backpackers. Never done it before. So our bags are not very effectively packed. They're really heavy for no reason, probably. But we're making it work. It's gonna be great. We might need a break. The rain is picking up. It's getting wet. We're currently leaving the trail behind, so we're going into the woods. Kyler is having a blast.
So fun. I'm hot, sweaty, and hot. We almost there.
Halfway.
What? Deer poop.
Deer poop. All right, guys, we're stoked. We're done hiking. We're super hot. Are you sweating?
A little bit.
A little bit wet.
A little bit.
Yeah, well, I'd say we have more sweat on us than rain, and it's coming down. But we found our spot. Nice, decent flat spot. We got this giant rock hill up here. That's where we came from. So we're gonna put the tent right here. We got tarps. It's gonna be sick. You excited?
I'm excited. Oh, so much sweat.
Oh. All right, guys, we're clearing away the campsite. All right, we picked up the branches already. Kyler wants to clear away some of these leaves and sticks so it's flat for the tent. So yeah, getting set up. We gotta get the tent and the tarps up as soon as possible because we're getting soaked and we don't have extra t-shirts, which is kind of dumb, but it's gonna be fun. We're excited. Let's go. Tent. The rain just randomly picked up and our bags are still out. We have the rain cover kind of on, but it's definitely wrong. So we got to figure it out, but I'm putting the bags in the tent. So I had these old hydration packs that I'm using for water, and I cleaned them before I came because they're super old, and now they taste like soap, and it's the only water I have, so. Nice. So we have the tent set up. We got this tarp set up. And considering that we've never done this before, I think it's pretty good. We might get roasted in the comments, but that's okay because we're happy with it. Check it out. We got tent. This tarp. This is our dry area. We're gonna try to build a fire, but if not, we have like a propane cooker under here, so this is all dry. And then the door's there. We're gonna try to get a fire going, even though it's super wet, but we have the tent and everything set up. So we're gonna go try to find some dry wood. We are cheating. We brought lighters, we brought paper, and we brought lighter fluid. So if we can't get a fire going, then it's gonna be sad, but we're gonna try our best. So dry wood. Kyler brought some of these sticks, so we broke them up. So they're definitely dry. We have some somewhat dry wood that we're gonna put over the fire to dry out once we get started. I don't know if that's gonna work or not. Let's see. We got one of these air couches. Good enough.
Couch.
No, it's deflating.
Quit.
Dang, bro. You're so wet.
Oh.
We have a Frisbee. All right, guys, it's currently, what, 6:30 and
6:45.
6:45, and we're making dinner. We got butane cooker. We got from Walmart for 20 bucks. And what are we making today?
Making steaks and hot dogs for
Steaks and hot dogs. He's the chef, because I'm a worthless cook. If you know me, then you know that I can't even cook eggs. But,
dinner. Or popcorn.
or popcorn, or I tried making pancakes and I ruined them too. But he's gonna make steaks and the dogs, and we're gonna eat them, and it's gonna be good. And then we're gonna build our fire. I know I showed you the wood and stuff earlier, but we're gonna make the fire afterward because we want that when it gets dark. So yeah. Steak is done. Hot dogs are next. All right, hot dogs are done. All right, we got the dogs and a steak.
Let's get some more lighting.
It's gonna be good.
Oh yeah. Cheers.
Bone apple tea. I'm taking an onion. All right, can you see us? Bro. That's some good stuff right there. Oh my goodness. W Chef.
Yeah.
Oh man.
That's actually really good. Weenie.
Oh boy. Oh my goodness. It's so good. Oh. My leg cramps. Alright guys, we just ate. We finished eating the steak and 4 hot dogs, so 2 each. We have another steak and another 4 hot dogs. So we might come back out at like midnight and come make another dinner if we're hungry, or if we're not hungry and we just want to eat. Because we're not gonna let that steak go bad. So we're gonna eat it. But we're gonna get a fire going now. Or we're gonna try to. We got all this somewhat dry wood. Try to make fire. Oh man. Oh yeah. I don't need comments saying that we're cheating, because I know we're cheating. So we'll just get that out of the way right now. I know we're cheating and I don't really care. Because I want a fire and it's wet and I'm not very talented. So I don't know. We're gonna make it work. Ow. Okay. Yes. Oh. We made fire. Let's go. Oh my goodness.
We showed a huge tree
A
fall.
giant tree just fell over there. Yikes. Well,
Let me tell you a spooky story.
if a tree falls on our tent, it was meant to be. I'm not worried about it. We gotta clean all this stuff up. The fire's out.
Count.
Take a bear down with a machete. That would actually be sick. That would be worth it for the video.
No.
That would make my life complete. All right, guys. We cleaned up outside. Put everything away. We're in the tent. What time is it? It's 9:20. Yeah, we gotta wake up at 7 o'clock. Pack up and get out of here because I have a class at 11. Hopefully we get some sleep tonight. Neither of us have pillows. And Kyler's being a baby about it. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's it for tonight. Unless something crazy happens in the middle of the night, I'll see you in the morning.
5 hours later.
Alright guys, we just woke up. It's, well, we hit snooze a couple times. It's like 7:15. It's cold now. Right? Kyler's a little bit chilly. But we're gonna clean up everything inside the tent and then go outside and see if we can pack up the tent and the tarp up because it's raining and it's cold. And we're gonna, yeah, try to get back. Sour Patch Kids for breakfast. All my stuff's out of the tent in the bag. Him too. We gotta take this tarp down, take the tent down. This thing, this heat shield, I don't think we used it as it was intended to be used, but whatever. I'm not real sad about it. Our full job is not anything special. We got it in. Let's go. We got our bags all packed. Kyler is just strapping everything to the outside of his bag because I don't know what he was doing when he was packing, but I got the trash bag. Yeah, start the hike back.
Two hours later.
We made it back, hiked through town. It was a great week, not weekend.
Night.
One day, one night. All right, It was awesome. It was wet, but we had a great time, and we're gonna try to do it again, right?
Yep.
All right, so if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that little bell so that you don't miss any videos. And I'll see you next time.